Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Matix automated trading bot application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then once you open it up, you can tap on the search box. And now you can type in Matix to begin your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on it, and this will take you into the application page. You will then see the install button, which you can tap on in order to download and install the application. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now open up the Matix application on your device. Just wait until the connection is made, and you can tap on the next button or swipe left to go through the guide. You will then see the create a new account or the login button. So proceed with either one of these options to start using the Matix application. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Matix trading bot application on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.